How to change the password in your Gmail account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can change the password of your Gmail account or Google account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change your Gmail account password, first of all you have to open your Gmail app. And here click on profile picture on the top right corner. And then click on manage your Google account. After that, you have to click on security. Just scroll down, click on password. And type here your password. And click on next. After that, you can write here new password. And again confirm new password. And click on change password. So guys, we have successfully changed our Gmail account password. So guys, in this way you can change the password of your Gmail account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.